This is Pranshi Verma. Welcome to my channel, guys. In today's session onwards, we will start a new series on the subject Object Oriented Programming with Java. Subject from AKTU University in 4th SEM and subject code is BCS 403. Let's get started with Unit first. So here is the syllabus of Unit first. It includes introduction of Java, programming structure in Java, object oriented programming, and packages in Java. Alright, so let's get started with introduction and discuss the history of Java first. Java was developed in the early 1990s by James Gosling. As you know, it's a very popular pure object oriented programming language. Over the years, the language has laid the foundation for millions of applications across various platforms such as Windows, Mac, Unix, Android based handheld device, embedded systems, and different corporate solutions, and many more. Currently, more than 3 billion devices are using Java. Right. Java was later taken up the Oracle Corporation in 2009. Till date, Java has been run on more than 3 billion devices. As you know, Java is considered as a default language for Android applications, and with the help of Java, you can make different kind of application, almost every kind of applications. All right, let's move further. Originally, Java was designed for interactive television. The history of Java is very interesting, but it was too advanced technology for the digital cable televisions industry at the time in 1990s. So the Java team members, also known as the Green Team, please note it, Green Team, initiated this project to develop a language for digital devices such as set-top boxes, televisions, like that. Java was initially called Green Talk. Green Talk in Green Team with the file extension that is .gt. Later, after lots of modification, it was named Oak, which was part of the Green project. In 1995, Oak was renamed to Java because Oak was already trademarked by Oak Technologies. The name Java was chosen by James Gosling, as you know, founder of the Java language, while having a cup of coffee near his office. And for your kind information, Java is a type of espresso bean. Java was developed based on principles such as simple, robust, portable, platform independent, secured, high performance, multi threaded, architecture neutral, ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड, इंटरप्रेटेड एंड डायनेमिक. ये सारे फीचर्स हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे अपने अपकमिंग लेक्चर्स में, बट अभी के लिए आपको पता होना चाहिए जावा की हिस्ट्री क्या है. फर्स्टली जावा को इंट्रोड्यूस किया, डेवलप किया जेम्स गॉसलिंग ने इन 1990s में. एंड इनिशियली ये प्रोजेक्ट था ग्रीन टीम का, जिसमें जेम्स गॉसलिंग के साथ उनके कलीग्स थे, एंड ये ग्रीन टीम डेवलप कर रही थी एक ग्रीन टॉक नाम के प्रोजेक्ट को, जिसमें जावा एज ए प्रोजेक्ट डेवलप हुआ था. देन ग्रीन टॉक से इसको नाम चेंज करके ओक रखा गया था, एंड ड्यू टू ट्रेडमार्क इशू ओक से इसका नाम चेंज करके रखा गया जावा. एंड जावा इज व्हाट Java is a type of espresso bean. Okay, so the first stable version of Java 1.0.2, and also known as Java 1, was released on January 23 in 1996. After the first release of Java, many additional features were added to this language, and now Java is used in different kind of applications, in Windows application, in web application, in enterprise application, mobile application, cards, etc. All right, let's move further. So these are the Java versions. Java started with JDK Alpha and Beta in 1995, then JDK 1.0, 1.4, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 5, SE6, SE7, and many more. So now Java SE16, Java 17, Java 18 are available in the market. Since Java SE8 released, the Oracle Corporation follow a pattern in which every even version is released in March month and an old version released in September month. Alright, it's all about Java version history. See you in the next video. Then we will discuss JVM, JRE and JDK. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video in lecture 2. Till now, keep watching. Till now, keep learning. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more videos on the course of Java. Thank you.